Chrome on the hood, smoke on the tail. Ain't no map for the trail I sell. Boots on the dash, sun on my skin. Every road's another sin. Rattle and roll on the highway loud. Born and dry, born too proud. Hands up high, let the engines cry. Rattle and roll till the day I die. Headlights flash like lightning strikes. Every turn's another fight I like. Gas pedals low, heart runs high. Burning rubber under southern sky. Rattle and roll on the highway loud. Born and dry, born too proud. Hands up high, let the engines cry. Rattle and roll till the day I die. We don't stop when the signs say slow. We just laugh and let it go. This road's got a rhythm, this sky's got soul. We ain't lost, we're in control. Rattle and roll on the highway loud. Born and dry, born too proud. Hands up high, let the engines cry. Rattle and roll till the day I die.
Got my old guitar and the amp turned high. The road is wide open and I'm touching the sky. The southern wind's blowing and it's calling my name. With the heart of a rebel, I'm riding this flame. Let the wheels keep rolling, let the night ignite. I'm a southern sun burning wild tonight. This is a rebel's anthem, loud and proud. Crank it to 11, let's shake the crowd. With every note I play, I'm breaking the chains. This is southern rock and roll running through my veins. The neon's flashing and the bar's alive. The neon whiskey's flowing and the crowd's on fire. The jukebox is humming with a southern tune, and the floorboards shake beneath the harvest moon. The rhythm takes over, it's all I need. Southern rock and roll is my only creed. This is a rebel's anthem, loud and proud. Crank it to 11, let's shake the crowd. With every note I play, I'm breaking the chains. This is southern rock and roll running through my veins. The stars light the way and the night feels right. The sound of the South keeps me alive tonight. Every riff rock and roll running through my veins. Oh, let it rock now, southern rock and roll. It's in my soul. Yeah, keep it burning.
I was raised with the sky meets clay, Sunday smoke and a long work day. Mama sang grace through the radio hum. Daddy built faith with a wrench and thumb. Raised on dust and glory, that's the way they told my story. No gold, no crown, no fame, just pride enough to keep my name. Barbecue smoke and a hand-me-down truck, living proof that hard time struck. We don't beg, we don't crawl or hide, we just laugh loud and let it ride. Raised on dust and glory, that's the way they told my story. No gold, no crown, no fame, just proud enough to keep my name. Every scar I wear's a prayer in skin. Every mile I drove was a way to begin. If heaven's far, I'll take the road slow. The Lord knows my soul by the songs I know. Raised on dust and glory, that's the way they told my story. No gold, no crown, no fame, just pride